Okay. Okay. Now, good afternoon.
A very good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thanks for asking.
Okay. Okay. So, this is our first conversation. So, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, I am Priyanka. I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I have completed my Bachelor of Education. Then I have completed my MCom. After that, I have completed my Bachelor of Education. I have 3-year experience in teaching field, and I am married. I have blessed with 2 children. That that's all. I'm a homemaker. That's all
Yeah,
about me.
that's great. Yeah. So, do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Okay. So, what is the name of your channel?
learn English with Priyanka.
Okay. When did you create your channel?
Actually, not more has happened. Only uh, 2 or 3 weeks ago, I have created my channel.
Okay. So, and when did you start your spoken English journey?
It is also I have started my channel and spoken word together. Actually, I have started my English speaking 4 to 5 months before, but at that time I did not concentrate on it because my daughter was very small. That's why I'm not getting much time to do on the English speaking. But 2 or 3 weeks ago, I have sincerely I have started working on it.
Okay, good. So, okay, daughter, and do you have a son?
Yeah, I have one son and one daughter. My son is 4 years old and my daughter is 1 year old.
Okay. So, you have a taught.
Sorry?
Have you taught before?
No. After before my kids, I taught in school, but right now I'm not doing because they are very small.
Okay, okay. In a private school.
Yeah, and these days I'm also trying to in a government sector, but it will if will I will not get in government sector, then I will try in a private sector when my child will grow up then.
Okay, that's great. So, what you do to improve your speaking skills?
I want to try to speak more and more as when I get time, and also watch and listen English movie, English short movie, English comedy, and I'm also try to read books and also try to write something whenever I get time.
Okay, that's great. So, okay, what tell me about your hobbies?
And my hobby is reading books, listening music, and traveling new places. Actually, I like to go some new places and watch their culture and traditions. And right now, I'm also doing much work on English communication skill.
Okay. So, have you ever visited any other state?
Yeah, I have visited. I have been gone many places like Goa, Mumbai, Lucknow, Kolkata. There are many places I have
Wow.
been.
Yeah. So, which place do you like most? Did you like
Ac-
most?
Actually, I like most in Goa.
Goa. Okay. Yeah, that's nice place.
Yeah,
Okay. So, if you have a question for me, then you can ask.
yeah. Oh, so why do you want to learn this language?
Actually, I'm passionate about this language since my childhood.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, that's why I want to learn this language. First reason is that, and second reason is Whenever I speak in, I would be able to speak in English. That time I teach students.
Okay. So do you ever try to teach in a private school?
Yes, I have taught
Okay.
some years back. Yeah.
Right now you are not teaching.
At this time, I'm not teaching, but I teach some kids at my home.
So what does in which class your son study?
My son is in sixth standard.
Okay. So do you have any English environment in your home?
No, I have no environment.
So your son does not speak English.
Yes, I speak in English with my son, only son, and no one.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what kind of difficulty you face when you start your journey?
I have never faced any problem. But yeah, when I started to speak in English, that time I have to face problem because I have no problem in reading, listening, and writing. Uh, I have a only problem while speaking.
So you are only giving your time to speaking, not reading, writing, and listening part.
Yes, when I started my journey, that time I have a focus on my means that time I have focus reading, listening, and writing.
Yeah. Okay. So are you interested in reading or not?
Yes, I'm interested.
So, have you read any books or not? What do you think you uh, read? Prefer to read?
Uh, okay, actually, I read some books which is related in English,
Okay,
like
like that.
stories book, yeah, short
Okay.
stories book, and other books.
So what kind of work you are working to improve your communication skills?
Mm, sorry, I'm not getting.
Actually, what kind of work you are working? It means आप क्या कर रहे हो कि आपका इंग्लिश
Okay, okay.
spoken can improve.
When I start my spoken English journey, that time I read, I focused on, sorry, I paid attention on reading, listening, writing. Whatever thoughts comes in my mind, I wrote down in a notebook that time. And at this
So
time, I'm trying to speak with someone.
what do you mm, how many times give you to learn this language?
How many times means how much time I
Yeah,
give.
how much time do you give to
Okay.
your
Uh,
spoken English?
yeah. mm, whenever I get time, whenever I get free, that time I try to speak in English. Yeah.
So what's your hobby?
My hobbies are singing and dancing, listening music, and reading books which is related in English.
Are you trying to getting job in a government sector?
Yes, I'm trying.
Okay, so do you teach your children? Do you
Yes,
help to
I
teach
teach.
your children?
Yes, yes, I teach my kids.
Okay, so what does your husband do?
He has a hardware shop.
Sorry?
Hardware shop.
Okay. And how many members are there in your family?
There are 15 members in my family, including
Okay.
children. Yeah, but my in-laws lives in a village and I live in a city. And
So have you
in my home at this time, there are three members: me and my son and my husband.
so
Okay.
what do you how do you spend your weekend?
Nothing is special.
Like
Yeah, yes,
as usual.
yes, as usual.
So how do you
Yeah,
spend your
when
whole day?
sometimes
Yeah.
how I spend my whole day.
Mm.
Yeah, my whole day. Sometime I spend my day means in household work, and when I get free, that time I at this time I'm working on this language. Yeah, and I teach some kids. I teach my son. So in this way, I spend my day.
So Diwali is at the corner. So what's your plan for Diwali? Have you cleaned your home? I hope you have cleaned all
Ye-
on your.
yes, I clean my home.